So yesterday we looked at how to customize Bootstrap. Now today let's try to create a progress bar. Working with progress bar, you just have to go to Bootstrap docs and then search for progress, as you can see, or you can just type here in the search for progress. And then here you'll have all the documentation on how progress bars work, the types and all that. So for this example, we are just going to scroll through these different bars and then we can see how to work around with them. So I'll copy this piece of code and just below here, I will create progress bar. So I'll create a div class and call it container, then div class and give it row, and then I will paste our progress bars there. So now you see the progress bars uses the class progress, the role progress bar, and then success example, this is just a label, and then the value which is 25, and then value in 0, and then maximum, that is the maximum length of the bar, which is 100, and then here is the progress bar BG success, that is basically the color, and then the width, which is 25%. So you can see this is how it comes out for the progress bars. This is 25%, 50%, 75%, and then 90 whatever percent. So I can go back and customize these percentages to the way I want. So for example, success, info, warning, danger, I can add here MB4 for each of these. This is margin bottom. And when you do this, we expect to see spaces in the progress bars. So you can see this is what the MB4 does. It will give each of them spaces. And then we can repeat the same for the rest. So now if you need just a few, feel free to remove any. Just to remove, you just highlight it and then remove. To change the percentages, you can just work around the percentages here. You can change this to 60 and change this to 55. And then that is it. So basically this is how to create a simple progress bar using Bootstrap in less than 3 minutes. And then this is how your outcome will look.